And we're back with the video. Yeah. But today, the strong engine is over a tiny bit here. So let's begin. Just like in the finals, and as we were Raw versus Thomas. Who won? The judge for a couple times. Beep. For a couple times to see the winner. The winner was Robot Thomas. So he goes on. Next two engines. Shiny Thomas and James. Go! James won that very easily too, but this is not like the last video. It's not very long, just like the last one. It's gonna be very short, like my first one. Just Pro Song Center 3. Oh, Golden Thomas had to win that. See if he won. Okay. Now we have a really strong engine competing with last video. And here is a kind of good one. Let's see. Looks like now for Armor Thomas. That's just one. Next two engines, Robot Thomas versus James. Good. They're coming up the hill already. Dirty Thomas wins. Dirty Thomas, you goes on to the front, but you will face you. Robot Thomas, Armor Thomas, or Golden Thomas. Go! You're already up the hill. Whoa! Whoa, Golden Thomas! Golden Thomas is always like a champ. So now we have Golden Thomas versus Robot Thomas right now. Get it, girl. Whoa, Robot Thomas! Robot Thomas is our first engine on this channel. Actually, second engine on this channel. One. Comment below, link down below, and see some engines in the next video. Bye! I'm gonna see you on Thursday. Bye, guys!